Hello, viewers. In today's lesson, we shall be looking at some questions on exponential equations. So let's take a look at this problem. 8 raised to power s equals to 0.125. 8 raised to power s equals to 0.125. So when we have question like this, as you can see, this one is in decimal form. So in that case, we are going to first change this to fraction. And how do we do that? This one will still remain 8 raised to power x. Then this, we are going to have 1 all over 125. 125 divided by 1000. 125 divided by 1000, that's going to give us 0.125 in decimal fractions. Then let's divide. So what number is common in both the numerator and the denominator? We have 5 is common, so 5. Okay, all right, we can easily divide. Let's look at another common number. Okay, 5 is common, but we can also use 125. 125 can go in the denominator, so we can say 125 here 1, 125 here 8. So to make it faster, so in that case, we are going to have 8 raised to power s equals to 1 all over 8. Okay, all right, so this will now be 8 raised to power x. Then we can now change this back to index form. So 1 all over 8, if you change it back to index form, is going to give us 8 raised to power minus 1 in indices. With this, we have 8 in both sides, so we can now cancel out. So in that case, our s will now be equals to minus 1. That is equating the powers. So we are going to equate the powers, and that's going to give us s equals to minus 1. Let's take a look at the second question. If the question says if 9 raised to power 2x plus 1 equals to 81 raised to power x minus 2, all over 3 raised to power s. The question says we should find x. So to solve this, let's take a look at the solution. To solve this, as you can see, this one has the base of 9, this one has the base of 81, this one has the base of 3. So 3 is common in all the numbers. So in that case, we are going to change this 9 to 3 raised to power 2. Then we give it brackets. Then we have this outside. So that's going to be 3, open bracket, 3 raised to power 2, close bracket, 2s plus 1. Then equals to, what can give us 81? That's 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 3, 27, 27 times 3, 81. That's 3 raised to power 4, x, open bracket, s minus 2. Then all over 3 raised to power x. That's our first step. The next step is to delete these brackets. So in that case, we are going to say 3, then 2 times 2x, we are going to have 4x, 2 times plus 1, we are going to have 2. That's 3 raised to power 4x plus 2. Then we do the same thing for this, the base of 3, then the power 4 times x, 4x, 4 times minus 2, that's minus 8, all over 3 raised to power x. And the next thing is to apply the laws of indices. To apply this law of indices, then this is going to be 3 raised to the power 4s plus 2. Then the index of this we come up. So in that case, for the index to come up, we are going to use just ordinary one base because 3 is common, so we use only 1 3. So okay, in that case, 4 raised to the power s minus 8, then it's going to be minus x. Then we are going to have 3 raised to the power 4x plus 2 equals to 3 raised to the power 4x minus 8 minus x. Then we can now cancel out the base. So we are going to equate the powers now. The powers are going to equals to each other. Then we have this. Then we can now collect like terms. 4s, then the first 4s will also come here, it will become minus 4s. Then this minus s will also come here, it will become plus x, then equals to minus 8. Then this plus 2 will also move to this side and it will also become minus 2. Then this can cancel this, 4s minus 4s, that's 0. Then we'll be left with x equals to minus 10. And that's going to be our final answer. Thanks for watching, guys. Kindly click on the subscription button if you have not done so, and also click on the notification button. Thanks very much. See you again very soon.